Since the beginning of the 50s, Alimak hoists have lightened the workload for many people around the world. The higher the building, the greater the need for quick transport of passengers and material. Petronas twin towers in Malaysia are no less than 452 meters high. Alimak high-speed hoists travel 100 meters a minute, thus reducing traveling time. Big cities are often synonymous with confined construction sites and insufficient ground space to store materials. A twin-cage Alimak hoist carrying more than 3 tons per cage on each journey brings the material quickly up to the floor where it's needed. Alimak container crane lifts are in operation in more than 50 ports around the world. In the port of Singapore alone, over 250 lifts take crane operators and maintenance personnel safely to their workplace. Many of the projects we have been involved in are world famous. One of them is the Chicago Beach Hotel in Dubai, an architectural dream come true. It constitutes a 321-meter-high sail-shaped building on an artificial island and an onshore complex in the shape of a wave. Alimak supplied the construction hoists used both onshore and offshore. Frequent light transports have special requirements. In the Alimak lightweight range, the hoists are designed to be quickly redeployed and erected. They are intended for passengers and materials or for materials only. The Christ the Savior Cathedral in central Moscow was demolished by Stalin in 1931. But the drawings were found, and now the church has been reconstructed again exactly as it once was. Alimak construction hoists and work platforms were used to provide a flexible transport system and safe, comfortable workshop areas all the way to the top of the dome. For thousands of years, man has been building bridges over land and water. The quest for elegance and function goes on using modern technology, competence and materials. Since the middle of the 60s, Alimak construction hoists and service lifts have been used on most major bridge projects in the world. It is, in fact, an Alimak speciality. The High Coast Bridge in Sweden is one of the world's longest suspension bridges. Alimak supplied the hoists used during the construction of the pylons, as well as the permanent inspection lifts inside. The lifts can travel inside inclined as well as curved pylons, a unique advantage offered by the rack and pinion drive technology. Here we see the world's biggest oil drilling rig taking shape at a shipyard. A 472-meter giant. It's now positioned in the Troll field in the North Sea. Two Alimak lifts handle all the transports up and down the legs of the platform. In this environment, safety is the difference between life and death. Industrial processes, as here in a nuclear power plant, have to be kept going. Maintenance must be carried out in the shortest possible time. Our lifts facilitate preventive maintenance and shorten downtime. The Kiruna mines are the world's biggest iron ore mines. Many Alimak raise climbers have been used here over the years. The 6th generation was taken into operation for rock reinforcement when the mines opened up a new haulage level. Transforming project requirements into customized products is an Alimak specialty. This is one of our many special designs, a passage to the underground that's there only when needed. A few meters below the King's Garden in Stockholm, a pump station takes care of the city's wastewater. An access lift was required to bring people and replacement parts down to the station without any permanent building above ground. Alimak's experienced engineering team came up with this elegant solution. The curtain rises on another unique transport solution, Alimak at the Opera, or at least at the Royal Opera Workshop, where the heavy yet fragile sets are produced. A 9-meter-long, 5-ton lift moves the sets from the workshop to the storage level. Another 18-meter-long Alimak platform lift serves the stores for the curtains and backdrops. We continually invest in modern and efficient production techniques and equipment. We are able to combine volume production of standard equipment with custom-made specials and one-offs. In 1993, we obtained ISO 9001 certification for total quality commitment. Alimak's lift concept permits making customized designs based on proven technique and components. In all parts of the world and in all climates, Alimak hoists, lifts and platforms travel up and down, day in, day out. A vast network of highly competent, well-trained subsidiaries and distributors ensures that service and spare parts are readily available whenever needed. The whole world is our home market.